The purpose is to accurately portray Newton's first law of motion, which is the law of inertia, and Newton's third law of motion, which is the law of action and reaction. The law of inertia. Every object continues in a state of rest or of uniform speed in a straight line unless acted on by a non-zero force. Law of action and reaction. Whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first. Gravity. The downward force pulling objects towards the center of the earth. Support force is the force that supports an object on the surface against gravity. The experiment. Place an egg on top of a toilet paper roll, which is on top of a rimmed lid. The rimmed lid is placed on top of a glass of water. Make sure that the egg is directly above the glass of water. Pull the rimmed lid forward so the egg drops directly below in the glass. Materials needed: 1 egg, 1 toilet paper roll, 1 rimmed lid, and 1 glass of water.
Hello, my name is Charlie Myers, and this is my physics experiment. I'm going to be doing an experiment to demonstrate Newton's first law of motion, which is the law of inertia, and Newton's third law of motion, which is an action and reaction. First, my experiment has 1 egg, a glass of water, toilet paper roll, and a rimmed lid. I'm going to place the rimmed lid directly above the glass of water. Then I'm going to place the toilet paper roll directly above the glass of water, and then the egg directly on top of the toilet paper roll. Right now, all objects are exerting inertia. They all want to stay still because they're not moving. Also, we have the third law of motion, action and reaction taking place between the toilet paper roll and the egg, and gravity. The toilet paper roll is acting as the support force against gravity, which is pulling down. So what I'm going to do is pull the rimmed lid out to set the rimmed lid and the toilet paper roll in motion, while the egg will drop straight down into the glass because of the lack of the support force. So let's hope that this egg will drop straight down. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the egg dropped straight down because there was no support force anymore, so gravity took over. Also, when I pulled on the rimmed lid, I set the rimmed lid in motion, which set the toilet paper roll in motion. So they wanted to stay in motion. So this exudes the Newton's first law of motion. Objects in motion want to stay in motion.
Recap. The toilet paper and rimmed lid were set in motion by me, the outside force. This caused the egg to have no supporting force against gravity, leaving the egg to fall in the glass.